In today's video, we will be discussing nucleus, its structure and function. As we know, every organization and setup is controlled by a leader. Leader not only control but also regulate and manage the work. Same rule is applied for the cell. In cell, nucleus act as a boss. It control, regulate and manage the functioning of the organelles inside the cell. Nucleus was first discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. It is also known as karyon. It is a double membrane bonded organelle. It is called the major organelle of the cell because it contains genetic material of the organism and performs cellular activities. Nucleus is present in the center of the cell. All cells contain nucleus except few cells like red blood cell. Cells which do not contain nucleus have short lifespan. Now we will discuss the structure of nucleus. Main structure of nucleus are nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, chromatin and nucleolus. Let's learn the detail of each component. Nuclear membrane. Other names of nuclear membrane are nuclear envelope or karyotheca. Nuclear membrane acts just like a cell membrane. It separates the nucleoplasm and other structures of the nucleus from the cytoplasm. It is double membrane having inner and outer surface. The side of the membrane facing the nucleolus is considered inner surface and the side of the facing the cytoplasm is considered outer surface. There is a space between inner and outer membrane which is called perinuclear space. It is about 10 to 50 nanometer thick. Outer nuclear membrane is continuous with rough endoplasmic reticulum. It also contains ribosomes. Nuclear membrane acts as a barrier for the transport of macromolecules, but it also contains nuclear pores through which macromolecules can easily pass. About 3000 to 4000 nuclear pores are present in cell membrane. On the inner side of nuclear membrane, a thin layer is present, which is called nuclear lamina. It provides mechanical support to the nucleus. Now we will move forward and discuss about nucleoplasm. It is also known as karyoplasm or karyolymph or nuclear sap. It is a type of protoplasm and is surrounded by nuclear envelope. Nucleoplasms contain chromosomes and nucleolus. Other structures like nucleotides and enzymes are also present. The main function of nucleoplasm is to store DNA and facilitate an isolated environment where transcription or gene regulation is carried out. Other most important structure which is present in the nucleus is chromatin. Chromatin is entangled thread-like structure which are present in the nucleoplasm. They contain cell genetic material in the form of DNA. During the cell division, chromatin condense and form highly organized structures called chromosomes. Chromosomes contain small segments which are genes. Genes contain DNA which carry genetic information from parents to daughter cell. Now we will talk about nucleolus. Nucleolus is a darker, membraneless structure which is present in the center of nucleus. It is surrounded by nucleoplasm. It occupies about 25% space of the nucleus. Its main function is to manufacture and assemble ribosomes and synthesize ribosomal RNA. Nucleolus enlarges when cell is synthesizing proteins. Now we will discuss the function of nucleus. It controls all the chemical activities in the cell. It regulates and controls the working of other organelles inside the cell. It contains the genetic material of the cell in the form of DNA and chromosomes and control all cell growth and multiplication. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.